Welcome to my channel. Today I will be making some chicken Bora. Well, we all know this Bora in America. In order for you to get it soft, you have to pressure it. So this is what I did. I pressure this, right? This chicken has been washed and seasoned up, and I put some oyster sauce on this in order for it to get this color. Now I'm gonna add some curry. I'm gonna fry up some curry, all right? And I'm gonna be using some onions, tomato, and they have some garlic in between here. This is 2 big fig of garlic and some scallion. All right, so let's start with the frying of the. First, I'm gonna add the curry. This is just the flavor, and this is 1 tablespoon of the curry and 1/2 tablespoon of mixed masala I have in this bowl here. I fry this up for like a minute, and then I'm gonna add the chicken into this. So I just put the chicken, and I'm gonna fry the chicken with the tomato and the curry. Alright? Remember that I let the curry fry up for like a 1 minute. Yeah. So now we're gonna let this simmer down. You understand? Simmer down. You're bound to regret your simmer down. Alright, so I'm gonna let this fry up, and then I will be back. And you see the color you're getting from this? Well, I love this color. Stay tuned, okay? See this? So now I'm gonna cover this down, but I must let you guys know the best curry to cook with is Indie Madras curry powder with the elephant on the packet. Best curry. It's better than any other curry, sajata or wherever other curry that they got. That's the best. I'm telling you, it got the taste. You don't have to put, sometimes you don't have to put no other seasoning. It has the salt and everything. All you have to do is just add it, and make sure that you cook it well. It must be cooked well. Curry have to fry properly so that you won't smell or taste the rawness of the curry. Alright? Enough of this, and I'm gonna cover this lovely girl down, and I will be back. I'm gonna add some salt, and remember, salt always go counter your taste. Alright, I could use 5 or 6 tablespoons of salt, and it doesn't mean because I use 5 or 6 tablespoons, it means you're gonna use the same amount of salt. Now some people have high blood pressure, so they can't use salt. So you could use your food just like that. Some people just use cube or seasoning salt. All right, I using salt, and I'm not measuring the salt. I'm sorry, but I just going according to my taste. I just don't like nothing too salty. I always say that. I just like a little taste. I prefer to add the salt when the food finish cooking than to pack a whole set of salt in the food and you can't take it out. Right? Ooh, this is hot. See? Alright. So what it look like when it finish. Curry Bora. Or Bora curry with chicken. Your choice. Alright. Thanks for watching. And this will be served with some brown rice. Alright.